Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to make seed tape for flowers. Now, we've all seen the commercials for the 70-foot long automatic garden, and you get this roll of seeds and you'll have an instant beautiful garden, and it's only $29.95. You can do the same thing at home with a lot less money. So first of all, you need some seeds, and it can be any type of seeds. These are calendulas, and you can use cosmos or any type of annuals are the best. Any type of seed can be used on a seed tape. You can use all types of material. I like to use anything organic, whether it's honey. Honey works pretty well, or even peanut butter. I like peanut butter. It's not quite as sticky, but it still works really well. And by using 2 pieces of toilet paper, you make your own seed roll. And so all you need to do is just take some toilet paper, and just instead of making a peanut butter sandwich, you're actually just putting it on the toilet paper. And just make it real thin, but make it so it's sticky. Oops. So you want to have like peanut butter sandwich consistency, and you want to have some peanut butter. And then you take your seeds and you just sprinkle them. And then even them out. So you don't want them all in one corner. So you want to really even out the seeds. And you can just spread those a little more too. Okay, you can use the whole strip. You can make it as long as you want. But once you've got the seeds in with the peanut butter, you take another piece of toilet paper and you put it right on top. And then you have your own seed roll. And so you can make it longer. You can use different types of seeds. And you just turn around, and I always wait till the last frost is over, because you don't want to plant them in the middle of winter. They're just going to kind of rot, or they'll sit there, and a lot of times they'll wait till spring. So whenever it starts warming up a little bit and it's not freezing anymore, as the sun comes out and it warms up, the toilet paper will actually break down, and then the seeds will germinate, and they'll come out of the ground, and they'll grow, and you have beautiful flowers this summer.